Welcome to WordPress training by wplayouts.com. In this tutorial you will learn how to create landing page in WordPress with Enfold theme. To create a landing page, the very first thing you need to install Enfold theme in your WordPress. After you have installed your Enfold theme in WordPress, you need to activate it. Go to Appearance and click on the Themes link. Now click on the Activate button from this page to activate the Enfold theme. Your Enfold theme has been activated. Now you need a new page for your landing page. To create a new page, go to Pages tab and click on the Add New link. Enter your page title and click on the Advanced Layout Editor button. There are many types of elements on Layout Builder. We will use these elements to create our landing page. Now click on the Published button to save the page. Next, to set up the page layout, on the bottom right column of the post editor you'll see Layout module. Change the sidebar setting drop-down value from default layout to no sidebar. Change the footer setting from default to don't display the socket and footer widgets. Change the title bar setting from default to hide both value. Change the header setting from no transparency to hide header on this page value. Now click on the Update button to save the changes. To preview our updated page, click on the Preview Changes. To design a landing page, your page should be blank without any header, sidebar and footer. Next, from the Layout Elements tab, drag and drop the color section on the page to create the landing page banner section. Click on the Edit section icon to configure the option. A light box will pop up that will show you 3 different tags. Select the section background tag and choose the color for banner background. Click on the Save button. Now drag and drop the 2-column element into the color section. Click on the clone icon to make the duplicate column. From the Content Elements tab, drag and drop the text block element into the second column. Next, from the Media Elements tab, drag and drop the image element into the first column. To add an image into this element, click on the Edit icon. A light box will pop up that will show you image settings. Click on the Insert Image button to upload image from your computer, or select from WordPress Media Library. Edit your image settings on the right side of the screen, and click on the Insert button. Using this drop-down option values you can change the image alignment. Next, click on the Save button. To add a heading, click on the text block element and type your heading for banner section. Click on the Save button. Now, to preview your current changes, click on the Update button and preview your page. go back to Page Editor and change the banner heading color from gray to white. Now add some text below the main banner heading using the text block element. Change the text color to white. Next, preview your current changes. To add a button below the banner text, go back to Page Editor. From the Content Elements tab, drag and drop the button element at the bottom of banner text. Click on the Edit button icon to configure the button options. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Now preview your current changes. To update the button color, go back to Editor. Click on the button Edit icon element and select the Colors tab. From the button color drop-down, change the option value from theme color to custom color. Now to preview your current changes, click on the Update button and preview your page. From the Content Elements tab, drag and drop the white space separator element at the bottom of two columns and follow the on-screen instructions. To create the body section with text content and contact form, follow the on-screen steps. From the Layout Elements tab, drag and drop the second color section element at the bottom of the first color section. Now drag and drop the 2-column element into this color section. Click on the clone icon to make the duplicate column. Drag and drop the text block element into the first column. Next, drag and drop the special heading element into the first column at the top of the text block element. Next, drag and drop the contact form element into the second column. Now click on the special heading edit icon to configure the options and follow the on-screen steps. Click on the Save button to save the special heading element changes. To add the body text content, click on the text block edit icon and put some text into the text editor. Click on the Save button to save the text block element changes. To configure the contact form, click on the edit icon and follow the on-screen steps. Click on the Save button to save the contact form changes. Now click on the Update button and preview your page. To add some space between the banner and heading, go back to Page Editor. Drag and drop the white space element at the top of the special heading element and follow the on-screen steps. Click on the Save button to save the changes. To change the special heading color, click on the special heading edit icon and follow the on-screen steps. Click on the Save button to save the changes. Now click on the Update button and preview your page. To create a testimonial section, go back to Page Editor. From the Layout Elements tab, drag and drop the third color section at the very bottom of the page. Click on the Edit section icon to configure the options and follow the on-screen steps. Click on the Save button to save the testimonial section changes. Next, drag and drop the special heading element into the testimonial section. Now click on the special heading edit icon to configure the options and follow the on-screen steps. Click on the Save button to save the changes. From the Content Elements tab, drag and drop the Testimonials element at the bottom of Special Heading element in Testimonial section. Next, click on the Testimonials edit icon and follow the on-screen steps. Click on the Save button to save the testimonial element changes. To preview your changes, click on the Update button and preview your page. To change the testimonial font color, go back to Page Editor and follow the on-screen steps. To create the landing page footer section, drag and drop the new color section at the very bottom of the page. Next, drag and drop the text block element into the footer section. Click on the text block edit icon and follow the on-screen steps. Click on the Save button to save the text element changes. Click on the Update button and preview your page changes. To change the text alignment, go back to Page Editor and follow the on-screen steps. To hide the footer socket section, go back to the page. On the bottom right column of the page editor, change the footer setting drop-down value to Don't display the socket and footer widgets. Click on the Update button and visit your landing page to see the final changes. Your responsive landing page has been created successfully and ready to use. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos and tutorials, please visit our website, wplayouts.com.